Sairam, dear children. Let us start today's class by chanting Omkar 3 times. Today we are starting chapter 3, A Trip to Bhopal from NCERT Mathematics book of class 4. Today we are going to learn how to do division using multiplication tables. To learn this lesson, I am going to show you a video. All of you watch the video very carefully. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. All of you should watch the video very carefully. Okay? It's coming. Okay, children. Class 4, we are going to study this lesson, Trip to Bhopal, and we will see the video now. Okay, are you ready? Yes, let us play the video.
It's my birthday today, and my mom has made arrangements for a party. Mom has made some yummy cookies. I need to distribute these 6 cookies equally among 3 plates. Can you please do that for me? I can drop the cookies into the plates, distribute them equally.
Okay, children. Now I am going to distribute these cookies equally in these 3 plates. Let me keep this cookie into this first plate. Now this cookie to the second plate and this cookie to the third plate. Now each plate has equal distribution. 1 cookie each. Now 3 cookies are remaining here. Now I am going to distribute again. 1 cookie to this, second cookie to this, and this third cookie. Then now here.
Great job! Thanks for helping me. Here, you divided 6 cookies into 3 equal groups. Each group has 2 cookies. So, we can say 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. I guess you already know that distributing or sharing of objects into equal groups or sets is called division. I am now packing return gifts for my friends. I have 4 bags and 12 chocolates. If I want to distribute the chocolates equally, how many should I put in each bag? To carry out this division, I will recite the 4 times table in my mind till I get 12. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So, I will be able to divide the chocolates equally if I put 3 in each bag. So, as you just saw, we can use multiplication tables to solve division problems. Oh, I need to answer the door. Happy birthday, Gia! Hey, come on in. Let's have a nice day.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Now we can go to some questions. All of you watch it very carefully. This is like a worksheet, and here it is written, complete the division statement and then write the multiplication fact to verify your answer. The first two have been done for you. I will explain this to you. Here you can see a page which is divided into two parts, and one heading is division statement, the other heading is multiplication fact. Division statement is also called division fact. Let us take the first question. This is 18 and this symbol is divide symbol, as you have learned, plus, minus, multiply. This is the symbol for division. Division means equal sharing. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. And suppose this 18 means 18 anything. Let it be 18 bananas. And 2 means 2 children. That means we have to divide 18 bananas equally among 2 children. Then how many bananas each child will get? This one you know, if 18 bananas are there and divided by 2, sharing by 2 children, each one will get 9. But how do we get this answer? With the help of multiplication table. For that, here this number 2, you have to divide, you have to say the multiplication table of 2 till you get 18. You know, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, and 2 9s are 18. That 9. That means each child will get 9 bananas. And this is called division statement or division fact. And every division fact has a corresponding multiplication fact. Now let us see how do we write the multiplication fact of this division fact. For that, you know, division opposite is multiplication. So to get the multiplication fact, we have to go in the reverse path. That means we have to go to the left. 9 into 2 equal to 18, or 9 2s are 18. This one, 9 2s are 18. This is the corresponding multiplication fact of this particular division statement or division fact. I hope you got an idea. Now let us try with more examples. Let us take the second division fact. This is 18 divided by 9 equal to 2. Here, suppose there are 18 flowers and 9 girls. And we have to find out how many flowers will be equally distributed and to each girl. For that, we will go to the same process. We will say the table of 9 till we get 18. 9 1 is 9, 9 2s are 18. This is that 2. That means each girl will get 2 flowers. And as I told you, every division fact has a corresponding multiplication fact. We will have to go from right to left to find out the multiplication fact. That means 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 18. 2 9s are 18. It is given here. Okay, children, are you following me? Now, let us take the third question. 16 divided by 2 is how much? We have to go say the table of 2 here till we reach 16. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. You got 16. So what will be the answer here? It will be 8. And its corresponding multiplication fact will be, this is here the answer is 18. Sorry, answer is 8. 8 2s are 16. That will be the multiplication fact here. Now coming to the next question. 16 divided by 8. How do you get the answer here? You have to hear which table you have to say. You have to say the table of 8 till we reach 16. So start telling. 8 1 is 8. 8 2s are 16. So what will be the answer here? Answer here will be 2. So its corresponding multiplication fact will be 2 8s are 16. Now in the next question, it is little bit different. Here the dash, the total number we have to find out. Some number divided by 2, you will get the answer 7. What is that number? In such cases, you have to multiply the given two numbers, 7 and 2. Multiplication fact goes like this. 7 2s are, what will you get? 14. Got it? I think you got the idea. Now next question. 10 divided by some number, you get the answer 2. In such cases, you have to say the table of 2 till you get this 10. 2 5s are 10. Got it? And I know that you are able to write the multiplication fact by now. Now next question. This one, and here also the first number is unknown. You have to find out. So in such cases, what did I tell you? We have to multiply the given two numbers. 4 2s are 8. Got it, children? Okay. Then next question is 8 divided by dash equal to 2. In such cases, what did I tell you? You have to say the table of 2 till you get 8. You know it. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 2 4s are 8. So what will be the answer here? 4. Got it? Okay. The next question is 6 divided by 2. Which number table you have to tell here? 2. Till you get 6. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So what will be the answer here? Answer will be 3. And can you tell me what is the multiplication fact for this division fact? Here it is 3. So it will be 3 2s are 6. Got it? Now next question. Here you have to find out the first number. In such cases, we have to multiply these two numbers. 2 3s are 6. Got it? Then last question. 4 divided by dash equal to 2. Here you have to say the table of 2 till you get 4. 2 2s are 4. Here the answer will be 2. What will be the multiplication fact? 2 2s are 4. Is it correct? So from division fact, we can check by multiplication fact. I hope you children understood what I taught you today. So we are now leaving from here, and I shall give you some more exercise questions. We will discuss more questions now. So I am logging out from here. And now we can see some more questions. So I am going to show you some PPTs. Once again, dear children, I am welcoming all of you to the new session. And I have already told you we are learning chapter 2. This is the first class of chapter 2. Chapter 3. Its name is A Trip to Bhopal. some questions are for you. Let us find out how this can be solved. Question 1 is, there are 10 beads and they are to be shared equally by Maya and Meera. This can be written as, that means here Maya and Meera are there, number of children 2 and number of beads 10. So when we do equal sharing, we have to do divide. This is what we have learned through the video as well as through the worksheet. 10 divided by 2 equal to, we have to say the table of 2 till we reach 10. 2 5s are 10. That means Maya will get 5 beads and Meera will get 5 beads. Equal sharing. Equal sharing is called division. Now let us take the second question. 24 flowers are there and they are to be shared equally and there are 4 children. This can be written as 24 divided by 4. You have to say the table of 4 till you reach 24. All of you know the table of 4. 4, 6 are 24. So what will be the answer, children? The answer will be 6 flowers. I hope through these 2 examples you understood, isn't it? Now let us see more examples. Let us divide using multiplication table. Now I hope you are familiar with. First question is 18 divided by 3. Which table you have to say, children? Table of 3 till 18. So table of 3 till 18. Table of 3 is very simple. You know it. 3 6 are 18. So the answer is 6. Are you getting it? Okay, children. Then next example. 40 divided by 10. Here we have to say the table of 10 till you reach 40. Okay. Then 10's table is very simple. 10 4s are 40. So the answer is 4. Now question number 3. 36 divided by 4 equal to dash. Which table you have to say here? Table of 4 till 36. Set 4 9s are 36. You know the table, no? Okay. Then the answer is 9. Next question is question number 4. 48 divided by 6. Which table you have to say? Table of 6 till you get 48. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. And 6 8s are 30. 6 8s are 48. So the answer is 8. Then question 5. Question 5 is 54 divided by 9. We have to say the table of 9 till you get 54. You know it. 9 6 are 54. Therefore, the answer is 6. Then sixth question. Since you have already learned the table of 11 and 12, I included 11, 12 also. And 44 divided by 11. 11 4s are 44. So the answer is 4. Next question. 60 divided by 12. Know the table of 12. If you don't know, you have to learn. Definitely. 12 5s are 60. So the answer is 5. With this much example, I hope you have understood. If anybody has a doubt, there are 3 more questions. Listen very carefully. Okay. Now question number 8 is 33 divided by 11. 11's table till 33. 11 3s are 33. Then next question. Now 2 questions are remaining. 48 divided by 12 equal to dash. You have to say the table of 12. 12 1 is 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. 12 4s are, you reach 48. 12 4s are 48. So the answer is 4. The last question, 36 divided by 12. Again, you have to say the table of 12, isn't it, children? Okay. Okay, 12 1 is 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. We reach 36. So the answer is 3. Got it? Okay. Now let us try for some more other questions. Are you getting interested? This type of question we see in that worksheet also. Okay. So first question is 14 divided by some number. You are getting answer 7. What did I tell you in such questions? What will you do? You have to say the table of 7 till we get 14. 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are, you reach 14. 7 2s are 14. So what is the number coming here? 2. See the answer? Our answer is correct. Now coming to second question, similar one. 15 divided by dash equal to 5. Which table you have to tell? We have to recite the table of 5 till you get 15. 5, 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. We reached 15. 5 3s are 15. See the answer? Answer is 3. Next is 28 divided by 7. A direct question. Here you have to say the table of 7 till you get 28. You know the table of 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are. So what is the answer? Answer is 4. Next is question number 4. This type of question I discussed already earlier. Maybe you are remembering. If not, once again, listen carefully. If you have to find out this number, you have to multiply the given two numbers, 5 and 4. 5 4s are 20. See the answer? Answer is 20. And you know 20 divided by 4 is 5. Next, similar question. In such question, I told you have to multiply these two. 5 5s are 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Okay, see the answer here. I hope you understood the lesson. This much was today's lesson, and all of you might have enjoyed the class. And now we will end the class by Shanti Path. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram children, we will meet again. Okay, Sai Ram.